SmartArt and Charts. Now, let's elevate your document with SmartArt and Charts. The SmartArt option in the Insert tab allows you to visually represent ideas and concepts. Click on the Insert tab and then click on the SmartArt option. Choose a layout. Enter your text and watch your ideas come to life. Let's enter sales details for an e-commerce clothing accessory store. Now let's move on. Charts, on the other hand, are perfect for displaying data. Click on where you want the chart to show or display. Then click on the Insert tab and choose Charts. Pick the type that suits your information. For this example, we'll do a pie chart. Click OK. Now enter the details of the sales in the pop-up that appears on top. Close the pop-up and you can see the pie chart takes a pictorial form of the information of the sales. SmartArt and Charts bring a dynamic and professional touch to your document, making complex information easy to understand.